So, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, in continuation of our previous lecture, healthcare accessories, our second lecture of this class. So, our next is the type of wheelchairs. So, there can be a manual wheelchairs, there can be an electronic wheelchair, a battery-fitted wheelchair. So, wheelchairs are widely used with the specification mentioned above. The user runs this wheelchair because when the person who can't walk, so sometimes wheelchair helps the patient for movement. Sometimes they have to go for diagnostics, tests, move in the hospital, wherever they go. Or some they're the person who can't walk, he can have wheelchair for traveling, during traveling or wherever it go, the wheelchair is a must. So a wheelchair have many types. So it is widely used with specification mentioned above. The user runs this wheelchair with his arms, sometimes with arms. So battery operated wheelchair. There are battery operated wheelchair over there. So it's fitted with a battery chargeable battery. So it moves according to itself. So it cannot, there's no need of mechanical force or push over there. You may have some experience that sometime when a person from your family becomes ill or is an older person. So he can be walked, he can be moved by the help of a wheelchair. So here, so a battery operated wheelchair, also called an electric wheelchair. It's costly and used for people can not move but need more mobility or the user with weak arms. So this time, mostly in big houses, sometimes the person who want to move, they need a battery operated wheelchair. The other wheelchair, three-wheeler. Sometimes a person who's handicapped, sometimes he has doing job, he has to want himself. So it is a battery operated wheelchair, or sometimes they have some engine also there. Is a three-wheeled battery operated scooter. These are often useful for people with limited mobility. So sometimes, mostly a person who remain handicapped, he cannot move. So they have a battery fitted, or sometimes uh, auto engine is also fitted over there. So this can be moved with this type of a scooter or whatever three-wheeler. So it's helpful for the person who need to go his job, but he cannot walk. So this is a very helpful. So he has to be on a wheelchair. Then patient lifter also there, because sometimes the patient is quite heavy, very heavy. It cannot be lifted by some person. So mostly timely they need a lifter over there. They put that person that from lifter for sometime for diagnostic test, sometime from lift from the bed also. If a very healthy person, a very overweight person, he needs a lifter. So the patient lifter are used to transfer a patient on bed, chair, or to commode. These lifters are either hydraulic or screw type. They're too hydraulic means to move, because it's very difficult for someone who's the staff or the relatives to lift an healthy person, an overweight person. So with the help of lifter, they fix over the lifter over there and they move the patient upward wherever he has to be shifted. Bed in aids, hospital bed accessories. So when the patient is on a bed, he has to do his all works over there. So what type of requirement is bedridden? Mattresses. So first is the mattresses. If you go in a hospital, such type of mattress are available. So polyforms mattresses are excellent for hospital beds. A mattress should be covered by plastic impregnated mattresses. Tricking and it's well to provide plastic mattresses cover. So sometimes if you go after the special type of mattresses are available in hospitals. The better safety rails is there, because the patient remain unconscious. So the rails has to be fixed with the beds. So just to keep the safety of the patient, the bedside safety rails are safety devices that prevent the patient from falling out of a bed when they remain unconscious, or sometimes we move over there. So you can see here the various railing is fixed with the bed also. Then the trapeze bars. The trapeze bars are overbed bars used as an assist in sitting up and getting into an out of the bed. So sometimes the patient has to lift, go up or down. So he needs such type of bars. With the help of, they can move over there. Bed cushions are also, it supports the patient on bed for eating and working in bed in relatively comfort. Support the patient legs to achieve muscles flexion, protect the patient from bruise and occurrence. So these are bed cushion special has to be given. Other bed exercise, feces, collecting bed pain is also needed when the patient can't move through on the bed. He needs a feces collecting bed pains. So feces collecting bed pains are made up of plastic, stainless steel, or porcelain used for the collection of feces of bedridden. So the patient cannot move from the bed. So these pains has to be applied for the feces collection over there. Then over bed tables. So sometimes the patient needs to have a lunch, breakfast, or he needs some medication. So there are over bed tables also. So this variety of special tables and trays are available for patients' comforts. Variety bed tables are available to serve meals to patients. So these sometimes they are movable, sometimes they are fixed over the bed of the patient, so he can easily take the meals. Overbed trace is there. So sometimes for the washing of the head or shampooing the patient because it needs to be clean. So such type of trays are placed over the head of the patient so they can be used shampoo or whatever it is. So overbed trays are used for spill preventing safety aid, a solid or inflatable plastic shampoo tray facilities, shampooing for patients who cannot leave their bed. So that's what they can be use such type of over bed trays. Then unicollecting bed panes. Unicollecting bed panes are smaller, sloping, and flatter containers used for collection of urine of immobilized or overweight patient. So a person who has a post-operative, he cannot move from the bed. So unicollecting bed panes are can be served. For you can see the shapes are different. For male, it is different, and for female, it is different shape. So that's why you can recognize which type is can be for application of the female and which type for males also. Bathroom safety equipment. Now further they need the person who cannot move. Sometimes he used to go, he's a very old person. So what happens? He needs a bathroom safety equipment also. The bathroom safety equipments are categorized into equipments primarily need a toilet and a tub for patient safety. The bedside, the beside commodes used by the patient who cannot ambulate from his bed to the bathrooms are also included in the former class, so they need bathroom safety equipment also. What type of this? Elevated toilet seats is there. The elevated toilets can be attached with the usual bathrooms commodes to make it easier for a patient to sit or stand. Elevated toilet seats are used by people with limited. This type of things can be used for the patient who can sit over easily. Toilet safety rails are also needed. The toilet safety rails or hand rails are attached either with the elevated seats as mentioned above or can be fixed in the wall to support the patients for support while walking through bathroom or during getting on and off the toilet commode. So such that the patient for comfort, for so safety, these rails are to be fixed with the commodes over there. Bathtub safety. For cleaning and washing of the patient, the needs these bench type tub seats also there. A transfer bench is used with two legs in the tub and two legs on the floor outside the tub. The patient can sit down on the portion of the seat within outside the tub and shift itself by sliding. So such type of seats are fixed over there where patient can be washed, can be cleaned when sometimes he needs a shower also there. So bench type tub seats are used over there. Then powered tub bench is also there. This bath seat is also called bath lift. Is powered by either water pressure or a hydraulic pump, which actually raise or lower the height of the seat from the height of the tub tube a tub side to near the bottom. So sometimes hydraulic or sometimes this type of machine, the bench can be used over there. Now bathtub grab bars are also required because when sometimes patient can't move, he needs sometimes hold over there. So these are bathtub grabs bars over there. The bathtub grabs bars range from those which attach to the side of the bathtub to wall-mounted grab bars. It helps patient from getting out of the tub. So this type of grab bars are fixed with the tub also there. Commodes. The commodes are portable toilets used by people with limited mobility and are unable to walk from bed to the bathroom. So this type of commodes can be used when certain patient cannot go to the toilet wherever. So these are portable, movable commodes can be used for the patients.